how do we ensure that we know our security program is doing well, it's measurable, and we're on the right path. I run the offerings and capabilities for our clients and make sure that we are delivering excellently around security solutions, ensuring trust, experience, and security capabilities. I have a team of engineering capabilities and CTOs that allow for working with alliances, crafting what the solutions look like, creating demo environments, running data centers to ensure that our customers are feeling good and around our capabilities, complements them and their solutions accordingly. When we combine that with putting it on the Azure platform, that allows for security embedded by design, and ensuring that from a cloud to a data perspective, that the scalability rises as a customer, complex environments get a little bit more innovative into the future and as they're developing more data. Data is the currency for customers, and the combined solutions between what we have between Microsoft, Elastic, and Kyndryl allows us to ensure that we're using the data in the right way to solve the customer complex problems. The benefits that we see with Kyndryl, Microsoft, and Elastic together are really threefold. One, when it comes to adding Azure from a security by embed and scalability measure, that allows the Elastic platform to ingest data from diverse ecosystems in a cost-effective and scalable way. When we add Kyndryl Bridge to the mix, that becomes the stitching across all across the customer's ecosystem to ensure that when we're looking at security portfolios, one, they're getting operational efficiency, two, they're getting integrated threat and defense, and three, that becomes into a true response model. All of that underpins with utilizing the right people with the right data to do the right work at the end of the day.